Hi, I'm Charlie Kasov. I'm a math teacher, and today we're going to learn how to make a quadrilateral using two triangles. Now, a quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon, and a triangle is a three-sided polygon. The only way you can make a quadrilateral from two triangles is one leg from each triangle has to be the exact same length. So if we have this triangle here, then either this leg here, or this leg here has to be exactly the same length as another triangle. So let's use this one. So now we would erase this line, and we would have 1, 2, 3, 4-sided figure. But if we had it like this, and we had a triangle that was a little shorter, then we'd actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So this would actually be a 5-sided figure. Now, we can do this with multiple different quadrilaterals. You can have a square, for example, is actually composed of two isosceles right triangles. This one kind of looks like a rhombus, which is this angle would equal this angle would equal this angle, and all four sides would be equal. So I'm Charlie Kasov, and you just learned how to make two triangles into a quadrilateral. Make sure that at least one side from each triangle is congruent with the other one. Thanks a lot.